Am I too close? Okay, maybe that'll work. Hey guys, if you hear rattling in the background, it's my drums. They keep making noise. I don't know, ignore it. Anyways, today I'm going to be showing you how to fake an eyebrow piercing and a bridge piercing. If you want to go check out my first two videos, you can check it out in the cards, whichever side it is on, and I'll link it in the description and maybe in the comments. But without further ado, let's get started. Up close and personal. Boom, boom. Anyways, focus. Okay, we have spikes for the bridge piercing because those work really well with bridge piercings. And then we have the balls for eyebrow piercing. So bridge is the spikes and then eyebrow piercing will be the balls. I'm sure you can use balls for the bridge piercing, but spikes don't really look as realistic on the eyebrow piercing. Okay, we back. So first I'm going to show you how to fake an eyebrow piercing. Okay, and last thing I'm going to be using is Kiss Strip Lash Adhesive. Put a dot right here and a dot right here. The balls are like things that you would put at the end of a septum piercing or actual eyebrow piercing, and you just glue it on. And then once it dries, the little whitish purple you can see will go away. But this is what it looks like. And now I'll do the bridge piercing. And bridge piercing is kind of hard to do, like get it at the perfect placement. I'm going to take the spikes, put it there and hope for the best. One second, I'm gonna go fix this in the mirror. Be right back. Okay, so this is what we have. I would like to point out the fact that it would 100% work better if they were bigger because it would be easier to put on and it'll just look better. But I don't really like bridge piercings that much anyways, so I'm working with what I got. And now we're gonna take these off because I don't like them. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. You can go check out my other piercing videos like I said at the beginning of the video. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. My goal is 500 subscribers by the end of 2021, maybe even more. Who knows what'll happen? Who knows what this year brings? But anyway, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.